Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Zoe is working on her fourth model car. Let's check it out. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Today we're on location at my granddaughter Zoe's workbench. And before we get started, I want Zoe to share with you some of her car builds, and we're going to look at some of her Christmas stash and start a new one for the next model show, the Hope It Don't Snow show, in January. So Zoe, tell us about your cars. What is this one?
It's a Mustang.
And that was the first model you ever built, wasn't it? It was. And at the beach later, what did you build?
A Jeep.
A Jeep. What kind of Jeep? A Rubicon. A Rubicon.
Rubicon.
Okay, not exactly the way Jeeps work. And the last model car she built and her first glue together was a... What is it? A Camaro. And why did you like that one?
Because it has shiny wheels.
It's got shiny wheels. Okay.
Gold.
Well, let's show everybody what. I'll tell you what, you can drive these off. How about that? Drive them over to Gigi. Isn't it cool to have fun, guys? And for Christmas, what did you get? I'll get it. Show them what you got.
It's a Scooby-Doo van.
All right. And
a Scooby-Doo plane.
And a Scooby-Doo airplane. And today we're going to start on, you wanted to do the van first, right? The Scooby-Doo van. Well, I'll tell you what, you open it.
Rip it apart.
Wow, look at all of those parts. Is that all the parts?
One more thing.
Okay, what more? One more thing.
I'm trying to get it out.
You want me to help?
It has a box around it.
There's a boxer. Oh, you forgot those.
Oh, yeah. I almost forgot the stickers.
Why, that's Scooby himself. All right. How cool is that? And the stickers. Well, now what is it that we have to do first?
This one is kind of scary.
Is it? All right. What do we do first? What do we have to do first? What is that?
The van.
No, what is this?
The instructions.
And why do we need instructions?
To know how to put it together.
Number one. So what does it say we need?
We need the wheels. Where is
The
the wheel?
wheels, okay.
Here's the wheels.
All right. You want me to open those for you?
Yeah.
And what else do we need?
We need this thing.
This thing, all right. Oop. Oh. Okay, we got the wheels out. And I'll get this out for you.
Got this out.
All right, but we don't need that yet. Well, we could go ahead and get everything out. Okay. And we need these little things right here. Yes, does the windshield work?
Hold on, let me see. Looks clean enough to be in air.
How about that?
Looks.
Hand me the bag over there with the, see the little orange pegs in it? Yeah, I think that's what we need to put the wheels on.
I think that's the legs to a person.
Ooh, all right.
You know, there's a thing that you have to rip open, so it's already open.
Okay. All right, so it looks like we have the parts we need to put the wheels on. So what do? You want to press that in?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wait a minute. I gotta get my hand out of the way. See that pin? Boom. Look at that.
That was easy enough.
All right, put it in. Nope, no, you gotta put it in the wheel first. Push it in. We'll put it right there and boom. All right, you want to do the others?
You do it how you did it before.
Well, all we do is put it in there and push it through.
Push.
Yep, and do that one.
I'll let it slide.
There you go. All right. Whoa, this is going to be a fast one. See how fast those wheels turn? Wow. Already. All right, what's number 4?
It's we need this now and this.
All right. And woohoo! We are getting there.
Is that all of it?
That looks like it. And where is number 5?
Here.
All right. What's
now we
number
need
5?
seats.
Seats. Here, let me tear them open.
I can open it.
You see where to put it in? See the holes?
They both. Hey, this is
It's got 3 seats.
It's a booster seat.
It's a booster seat. It does kind of look like, here, let me show everybody. It does look like a booster seat, doesn't it? How about that? They had a seat for Zoe. All right, push it in. I hope I lined it up right. I thought I heard something. Did it? Yeah. There we go.
Now
I'll just
this
make sure.
one.
Yeah, it did. Okay, and the front one. Wait a minute. Line the pegs up. There you go. How about that? Now they have a place to sit. And what else does it say goes in here? The seat.
And the sandwich. Don't forget the sandwich.
That's what I mean.
The Scooby snacks are dog treats.
Dog treats? Are you saying Scooby-Doo is a dog?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was a guy. Are you sure?
I'm sure. It's a dog.
Okay,
It's
here's
this
the
dog.
Scooby snacks.
This is the dog. This is
Okay, here's the Scooby snacks. You want to press them in right there?
Scooby.
Push it, press it down. All right. Do we want to put the sandwich in too? All right. Okay, here's the sandwich. Here's the sandwich sticker.
Sticky, sticky.
All right. Look at you. Okay, press it down. How about that?
Can't do it anymore.
There you go. Now what's number 7?
Number 7.
All right. Here. No, you actually had it. We just didn't get it pushed in enough. And then where does it go? Yes. All right.
Put it like this.
Okay. Hold it up so you can push it down.
And one more.
Boom.
Now this.
Wow. And
Oh,
what
we
is...
actually need this.
Oh, you saw it. Okay. The spare tire.
It's actually a spare tire. Wait, if this is a spare tire and this is the steering wheel,
What do they have in common? They're both what?
it's almost like it's backwards.
The spare tire goes there? No. Okay, now that's 10, so we want to go to number, what's next?
11.
11. All right, and what does it say?
We need this piece.
Very good. Oh, you're getting it now.
Does it go this way or this way?
Oh, I'm looking at, I think you got it right. I think that's right.
Oh.
Nope, I think it is the other way. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, get in there. Oh, maybe it be the other way.
Okay.
I think it gets smaller.
Yeah, smaller. And then there you go. And give it a good hard push. All right. Now, what is
Looks
number 12? Well, what goes on 12? What do we do for number 12? We got the racks on there. Now, what goes next?
Put it on there. Oh,
All right. Put it on. There it goes. Look at there. Woo, the mystery machine is on the move. Now, what is next?
We need stickers.
Who is this guy?
We need.
What's his name?
I can't
He's
remember.
kind of the head guy,
I
isn't
can't
he?
remember if it's Shaggy or Freddy.
Shaggy or Fraggy?
Freddy.
Is that what? Okay, guys, we're back and we're ready to start putting our stickers on the mystery machine. You ready for that, Zoe?
Mm-hmm.
All right. But first, a little heads up about the figures, guys. These things were a bear to get snapped together, believe it or not. The arms especially. You really got to put some torque on them. But the good thing with that is once they snapped into place, I'm pretty sure they're going to be hard to get back apart now. But anyway, the figures are all done. We have Daphne, as I recall. Fred. And Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Okay, so now it's sticker time for Zoe. So the first thing we're going to do is put our sticker where, Zoe? Let's go with number 1.
I know where it goes.
You know where it goes. Show me where it goes.
Right here.
All right. Hold it where everybody can see. Wow. I don't think I could have put that in the middle any better.
Here.
Awesome.
I think it's.
How about that?
Oh,
I think that looks great.
right there. Here.
Okay. Excellent.
See?
Want to do them on the other side?
Yep. I want to do it on the other side.
All right. Remember where it went? Up in the front. Like the other side. Nope, up here, remember?
No, it's
Remember?
right here.
Remember on the other side how it went up front here?
Oh, right. Right here.
Yeah. All right.
But not in the front.
Back. Excellent. Now here is where we get the big one.
The words.
The words, that's right.
Does it say the mystery maker?
The mystery machine. Okay. Wow, check it out, guys. It's the mystery machine.
There There's
Well, you're doing perfect with that. I don't need to do it. Okay, let's get one more. A mystery machine for the other side. Look at that. Excellent. Excellent.
Isn't.
Yeah, it looks good.
Trying to be careful.
That's right. You have to be careful with
Or
hobby
else-
knife. Otherwise, if you're not careful with hobby knife, what happens? No thumb. That's right.
Right here. Hold on.
There it is. All right. Any more stickers, or do you want to?
I want to do all the stickers.
All of the stickers. Oh
I have
my.
the stickers.
Pick out the next one.
You do have room for more.
Oh,
It was rolling.
I know. One more.
Hot to tell. When's Frankenstein? I get they're scared because the monster right there.
Ooh. Okay. All right. Zoe, I think we can call this one done. To view this fine work of art, in addition to several of Zoe's other cars, come to the South Carolina Modelers Association's Hope It Don't Snow show, January 21st, this coming Saturday. She'll be there. Meet the artist and one proud papa, too. Hey, guys, thanks for tagging around on this one. This was a blast, as they all have been. If you're not a subscriber, head over. Show us some love. Give us a sub there. And visit the Teespring store. Get yourself a hoodie, one of those coffee mugs that make coffee taste so much better. And, guys, God loves you. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.